did it. The investigation they need to do. Is she the one or they did it? Ṣóhun ló parẹ́. Because from what she said, she was going to expose everything. She's ready to face it all. Is it because she said she wants to expose everything? I read the statement again that she put up. She said it's a church, not a place for imperfect people to find healing. She now went for it. She said, God, should I say something? Say now only me. And they come, I'm coming. Say now only me was passed for this life because I smoke. God, please tell me. Because this is what they are using against me. And I'm ready to tell the whole world my F story.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi arábìnrin yìí ó sọ̀rọ̀ wípé ṣé Temitope Osoba ló pa rẹ̀ ó ní wọ́n ní láti ṣe investigation tàbí wọ́n pa á ó ní ṣé torí wípé arábìnrin ọ̀hún sọ wípé òun fẹ́ tú gbogbo àṣírí ó ní ṣé ìdí tí wọ́n fi pa á nìyẹn tàbí òun ló para rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ nínú ìwé kọ́bọ̀ àṣírí kan jáde nínú fọ́nrán bí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe ń lọ. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká wo èyí tó kù.
Because I am tired. That is why I seek for God. And you still are motherfuckers claiming to be holy. But those words are now pointing fingers because it is Tope Osoba. Kò ní dá fún gbogbo yín ẹ ní ṣoríire. I'm ready to face anything, even if it will cost me my last drop of blood. The world will see you all for who you truly are. I will make sure of it. Now, waiting I dey avoid won't gonna be this. Now it is time for the world to hear my true story. Okay, somebody said Kunle Afod just released another video of the family. Thank you. Mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Depression is real. Please, Kunle Afod. Anyway, the actors and the rest, they've stood up on the case. They should not bury her yet. Okay. So let me read what Afod wrote. Katogbo video yen. Kunle Afod said, after the passing of Tope Osoba, a lot has been unfolding. I visited her family, and Kunle Afod is somebody that is very credible. He is very, very credible. So more like Bushida Soroi. I visited her family to speak with them, hear their side of the story, and I also asked 1 or 2 questions from the lady who spent her final moments with her. There were still many questions surrounding what happened, and I believe hearing directly from those who were close to her will help us understand the situation better. May her soul rest in peace. So he now posted the audio of the person. So let's listen to it.
What did I do? Emisha Mugba àti Tope wá síbí. Why that Tope ṣe báyìí fún wa? Abani a ṣe gbé fóònù block. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi gbé fóònù block. Tope bá ní bó ṣe débí lòun sí pé ó ti block òun. Laba sáré pé iye kẹrù kan dájú wa bá wa pè. Pé bóyá tó bá gbọ́. Ó ti block everybody. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, bídẹ́ni ó ti block everybody. Ó ti block wọn.
That's 2023.
Somebody, please help me to be interpreting for non-Yoruba speakers. So what they've just said so far was that some of the siblings tried to reach out to her. Not siblings, but I want to believe extended family members tried to reach out to her. They found out that they have been blocked. Kunle Afod did a 2-hour interview with her mom's sisters. Okay. Níbo ló wà? Ṣé lórí channel?
Ọjọ́ Tuesday la ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbúròó ẹ̀. Òun náà ló pè láàárọ̀.
Who block everybody?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà.
Láti 2023.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà. Fojú gan ní ẹ̀ tí ọjọ́ Tuesday tó kú yẹn. Gbogbo wa ní
Okay.
Ti dánwò Tọ́pẹ́. Àtẹ̀tí sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, àwa ní ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ sí ilé ẹ̀ That's my brother's house. Tí mo bá ṣe kó alágbé mọ́tò. Lẹ́tẹ̀ gbé mọ́tò.
Ṣojú àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ ẹ sì sí fóònù lọ́sítítù.
Nǹkan tá a ṣe nìyẹn.
Ló block everybody.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a ṣe nǹkan míì.
Àbẹ́lòmíì tì lẹ́yìn pé kò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
Wọ́n tì lẹ́yìn ni.
Èmi ò mọ.
Tèmi ò lọ́gbọ̀n tèmi ò lọ́gbọ̀n ọmọdé tèmi ò. Mi ò kẹ́ ń ṣọmọdé o, mo ti ṣe 60 ní May 29. Ní lọ́gbọ̀n tèmi o, èèyàn kan wà lẹ́yìn Tọ́pẹ́. If not. And again, with what I had online yesterday, mi ò wo ọbẹ̀ wọn kọ̀ tẹ̀ nígbà tí single mother yẹn tó kọ́kọ́ ṣe kinní yẹn. Ó ní àwọn fún olùṣọ́ yẹn ní 24 hours to get to àwọn. Pé tí ó bá ṣe nǹkan míì, wọ́n máa gbé. So mo rò pé ìyẹn ló wá mú òun ló wá wọlé sórí inú wọn. Láìpẹ́. Ó wá sọ wípé nígbà tí àwọn fẹ́ wá discharge Tọ́pẹ́. Ṣó ti yé ṣàmọ̀ pé tẹ́lẹ̀ ààrí àwa wùwẹ̀ doubting pé bóyá òun gbó. Nígbà táwọn fẹ́ wá discharge olóhùn àti Olúkẹ́ Dáramọ́lá ni. Làwọn wá. Ó ní òun wá sọ fún pé àwọn ọmọ mi ẹ̀kọ́ ò ní pé wọ́n. Ló wá ní kó má pè wá láìpẹ́ òun nípa wà lápá màmá òun kó má gbé òun tẹ̀lé wọn lọ síbẹ̀ ó kìíní kan làwọn wá sí lọ. Nígbà táwọn dẹ̀ lọ àwọn ò lọ sí ilé.
Because àwa bá ṣe kúrò ní Lẹ́kì báyìí a kò fèsì lè Tọ́pẹ́ ni.
Abádébẹ̀.
Ní after Lákùnẹ́.
Okay. Ẹ bá ń lé.
Abádébẹ̀ gbàtà máa débẹ̀ adébẹ̀ bóyá bíi 8:30.
Ṣọ̀bọ̀ pé táìmù ọ̀dọ̀ traffic wà ẹ̀rù.
Adébẹ̀ abárí PA yẹn.
Okay, guys, let's listen. Ó dà pé ibi tó wà important ni, I want to believe pé ibi tó wà important ni Kunle Afod cut out from the video. Before we go to Kunle Afod's video, let me read out the interview. Then I'll bring my speaker close by so that we can listen to the interview in full. But before then, let me read out what the supposedly husband, he was not her husband, they were not married, because she's just living with her. And this is one of the things that I had planned to start to talk about ladies, that they shouldn't move into a man's house that is not married to them, that they are not married to. It's a lot. And no man should put any woman in the house without doing the needful, especially in our culture. You know, there are some things that you can still do because of the kind of society we have that might get you into trouble, both as a man and as a woman. So while we are getting ready for me to do that video thing, let's quickly read out what the man said when the man was interviewed. I'm going to read it. I'm not playing because it's a long video. So I'm going to read it out it's in English. So that makes it easy for others to catch up, okay, with the story. 1 second.
Snap a photo, list your item. Easy. Once it sells, the buyer.
But our auntie knew about our relationship. We have been dating for about 2 years now. I met her when she came to me for prayers and we became friends. She visited me one evening and I said I wanted to buy food. She then asked if I don't have a wife and I said no. I was once married but separated. She replied that she liked me and we laughed over it. We started our relationship from there and we were living together. Concerning the allegations that I chased her out of the house, I never did. She left on her own. Topper was a substance user. I have a lot of videos on my phone as evidence, but I don't want it to be on the social media. I have complained to her severally to stop, but she did not. At times, she will run out of the house for days just because I told her to stop using substance. She hid it from me, and she was taking the substance until 6 months after we started living together. This became an embarrassment to me and the church. I told her that little children in the church love to be around her, and it was not fair for her to be taking colos openly. All the church members knew she was taking colos. Everybody around that nail. I didn't take her to a rehab because I couldn't afford the money. All I could offer was a piece of advice. Mumbo. I'm coming. Where you come? All right. So, to everyone saying I collected the 30 million that was donated to her when she had cancer, they should bring the evidence that 30 million naira was donated. All the money donated to her, including the check that was given by Mike Adenuga, was paid into her account, and I don't have access to it. Some people said my siblings poured urine and poo on her. Does that even make sense? Tope was not a calm person like that. If you like trouble, she's a troublesome person. I also don't know anything about the 50 million people are talking about. We were giving each other money when we were living together. She bought gold for me and herself. She eventually sold it and we used it to settle some bills. Oh, the gbowó way. Collect money from her. She bought you gold, you collected it. And you are both giving each other money. Of course, she's not here to see her own side of the story. I wish she had opened up to people what she was really going through. I wish she had left. That's just it. And not stay because of what people will say. Let me continue. She bought gold for me and myself. She eventually sold it and we used it to settle some bills. I never forced her to give me her money. On the day she passed away, which was Tuesday, she said she and her friend were going to Prophetess Kehinde Osoba's place. I think that was when she made that call to that prophetess. The prophetess had called me earlier that she wanted to see me, and I told her I would create time to see her. The woman was her adopted mom. As they were going, I was calling to check on them. After a while, they stopped picking the call. At 7 p.m., she posted Ogo Tuntun on her WhatsApp status. I think they said immediately she posted her Ogo Tuntun. A few minutes or 1 hour, few hours later was when she passed away on her WhatsApp status. So I concluded they had gotten to the prophetess place at 12 a.m. Someone called me that Tope died at a police station and I should run away. I was like, why should I run away when I didn't commit any crime? Concerning the allegation that she was giving poison water in my house, she already left the house about 2 weeks ago. So if she was poisoned, she should have died since. I don't have access to her phone, contrary to what people are saying, and we didn't know each other's password. I have never bullied her, neither did I beat her.
Mike Lawler votó para defender los tariffs de Trump y su guerra irresponsable, subiendo los precios del
I
mandato.
have never bullied her, neither did I beat her. Wait too. But she said the woman who was adopted mom as they were going to where? Nisuru. On the day she passed away, which was Tuesday, she and her friend were going to Prophetess Kehinde. Oh, okay, maybe from where or from where? I don't know. Somebody said, is it a smear campaign? She herself said she smokes, but I don't know what she smokes. She said it in her this thing. So she smokes. She said it. But if you know somebody smoke, you are not married to that person. Ejo, how many pastor? Tí o bá ń ṣe pé there is more. I'm not saying it's the guy, but I'm just looking at the scenario of somebody you are not married to that just come to your house. I like you, you like me. Or they move into your house shortly after when she was giving lots of money. Or they gbà sínú ilé, ẹjọ́ ń gbé, running into millions of money. And you know that person, if they do, how many people will be comfortable with that kind of a thing, especially in a church premises where they are living? So, is it the smoke we are talking about here? No. Waiting by her. How she take by? Are you truly collecting money from her? Was it true? Pé wọ́n poison ẹ̀? Ta ló poison ẹ̀? Kí ló fa poison? She said somebody grape putu. Who do that? The video, I think I have that one here. That one was being asked. Okay, I think there's another video of audio. One of our audio I have not played. Let's listen to this. I think this is the audio.
Mommy, wala today. Mommy, oh. Mommy, oh, papi. Mommy, pas de qui qu'on se marriage me. Mommy.
Even in all the pains, ẹ má jẹ́ kí nǹkan kan ṣe marriage mi. Marriage wo torí Ọlọ́run. Tọ́pẹ́. Èèyàn ń bòkú wí. Ní dọ́run mo tọ́. Marriage wo. Má ṣe o. Ọmọ yìí dẹ̀ ṣé. Okay, where are those people that are always saying that people like us are the one telling women that marriage is not a do or die affair? Àwọn ọ̀dàlẹ̀ ni kàn wá sọ̀rọ̀. Kàn wá bá wa dá sílẹ̀. Let you come and talk on this one. You see, how we women, this guy did not even marry you. Kí nǹkan má ṣe marriage tí ó ever exist. Desperation for marriage. Imagine this lady staying alone. Kí ni ilé ẹ̀kọ́ tó bó ṣe fẹ́. The money they gave her when she was okay. She's not with a man. Buy whatever she wants. Buy a small car. Open a shop business. There is a place I saw. I don't want to carry that video. I said, this cannot be. You need to see kiosk that Tokwe was trying to build to do business, to start selling mineral. You know, they call it mineral. You know what that means. I say Tokwe of all people. Where is all the money they gave her? To get mineral lókun. She was even begging in one of the video. She said she cannot speak and go and beg people outside that she's suffering. How will she say she wants to beg again when she has already told people she was married? Irú bondage wèrè wo lélẹ́yìí báyìí torí Ọlọ́run. Tọ́pẹ́.
Yeah, just papi. 2 weeks. Lẹ́lẹ́ mi ò tí sùn. Mami, let me see Mommy. Mommy, the devil is winning. Mommy, the devil is winning. Mommy, the devil is winning. Mommy, my husband said that we should pretend. We should pretend as if we are not together anymore. Mommy, I'm not in my husband's place. Oh, Mommy, oh. Mommy. I've been in the person that used to make my hair. I've been there, Mommy, and I'm not okay. I've been sleeping on the floor. Oh, they don't be my hair last year, November. Oh, come in, make her pretend. They pretend they make me unfavorable. Mommy, oh, come in, that place is not a good place. Mommy, come in, make her pretend make party break up. Mommy, it's such a keep it at home, get down. Mommy, at 41, she must have walk on. Mommy, your money go very full. Mommy, your money, wow.
Tokwe, may your soul rest in peace. We have 50 years old. They are happy in their comfort zone. They accepted their life as it is. Today they are alive to tell the story of their life. Nobody's telling their story or lying on them. We have 65, 70-year-old. Don't be mori. Don't adopt omo. Lorishirishi. ẹni bímọ ọmọ ló máa sin ẹni tí ò bímọ ọmọ ló máa sin o. Person wey get pikin na somebody go bury am. Person wey no get pikin na somebody go bury am. The choice to live as long as you can. Ayé ò fẹ́ kéèyàn live. No, you are the one. And that is why some Yoruba will say, Aragbe láyé. I will live irrespective of what people say. This is the choice of my life. What in nítorí nǹkan táyé máa sọ. You see, when we say people should stop shaming and calling out single mothers, I'm sorry, unmarried people, single mother àti ẹ̀tún yìí ṣe kínní. And that is why I remember when somebody came to attack me on this channel like 3 or 4 weeks ago. Are you now advising women to have children without husband? Orí yín burú. Orí yín burú. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń sọ ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. I was telling you, the world has moved past your rubbish, marriage rubbish. A lot of women are crying. They have been messed up. Their destiny is messed up. All because I must be a Mrs. Ẹ máa wo ọmọ tó nífọ̀n tó lè kọ́nà tó dúró tó stand wẹ́wẹ́ bí obìnrin. I saw Toke Makinwa yesterday. Ṣe báyìí sí Toke Makinwa and her baby. Yes. Who is waiting? You get to a certain age, you don't wait for no man. You have your child. Go ahead and have your child and live a happy life without your child if you desire to have one. Live your life to the best of your life. And the marriage you know. The man is not even married to her. Mommy. A man is now giving you condition. Go and stay somewhere. Tope. May justice prevail. Tó bá jẹ́yàn ló pẹ́ kóun náà má lọ mọ́. Tó bá jẹ́yàn ló lé kú ọwọ́ sí kú ẹ̀. Kẹ́niyẹn náà kó di ẹni tó ń gbélé ayé títí kó fi jọ àwọn bàbá ńlá bàbá ẹ̀ tí wọn ò kú. Women, ladies, please, gbogbo àwa tá lọ́mọ obìnrin, iṣẹ́ wà lọ́wọ́ wa. Kí lẹ gbọ́? Iṣẹ́ wà lọ́wọ́ wa. She's not the first person to máa mess ara ẹ̀ wọ́pọ̀ báyìí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọkùnrin dé. I saw Toke Makinwa looking very beautiful yesterday with her baby. Muni, that's the way to go. Choose your life, choose your happiness. Kò kanye. This woman ti ṣe kíní kan. Are you going to Muni tó bá dojú ẹ̀ tó bá jọmọ mi máa sọ fún yá. A ṣe máa lóyún yá. It's none of anybody's business. Tó bá dé decide I don't want ọmọ kò fẹ́ náà ni kò sí nǹkan tí mo lè ṣe sí. Ultimate kíní ni kí n má fojú sunkún ọmọ. Kó gbélé ayé ṣe rere nǹkan tó bá fẹ́. Ẹni tó bímọ, ẹni tí ò bí, self happiness, your self survival is key.
Mami, mo ti tọrọ ìdáríjì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ́nà náà. Mo tọrọ. Mo ní kó lọ dáríjì mi fún ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi. Gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ń ṣe. I've been in the person that used to make my hair. I've been there, mommy, and I'm not okay. I've been sleeping on the floor. Ilé ni mo sùn sí. Kò sí náà. Oh, they don't be married láti last year, November. Ọkọ mi ní pé ká pretend ní pé àfẹ́ramọ́. Mami, ọkọ mi ní pé mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ kì í sara wá sáyé ká mọ̀ pé kò that place is not a good place. Ẹlànà Ọlọ́run mọ̀ ní ibi máa smoke. Mami, mo ṣe mo ti jà wọ́n kálukú jà.
Waiting, culture, preaching and everything don't do no be small. I was still watching a movie yesterday. That lady was attending the father's burial. Ó ṣáná sí sìgá. Ó look sexy pẹ̀lú sìgá ẹ̀. Ó tell you pé sìgá mímu is ó ń pààyàn àbí nǹkan kan àbẹ́ṣẹ́ ni. Òyìnbó dey smoke am. Òyìnbó will give us religion. Then they smoke am. Though I don't support substance use. Because substance use messes up lives. I will never support that one. Lie. Look at a beautiful lady. Talk by Duro, stand well. Very pretty lady.
What if I told you that the moment your book is published, there could be a giant billboard featuring you and your book in Times
Lady. Talk by Duro, stand well. Very pretty lady. You need to see her stand. Oh, Duro. Lọ́mọbìnrin tó pretty bàjẹ́. Kó má wọ́rẹ́, kó má dùn rẹ̀ nínú kó fine olóko. Women, please choose yourself. Please choose yourself. Please live your life to the best of your knowledge. Tó bá máa kú kó jẹ́ natural ikú. If you want pie, make it be natural pie. No suffer and pie. No suffer and pie inside pie inside. No pie inside suffer. No.